Hello ladies, this is Jackie with the Scarf Art channel. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you so much for subscribing to our channel and sharing it with your friends who love scarves or who want to expand and enhance their wardrobe in every aspect of life, for work, for church, for social events, for all of that for the most part. But this is our scarf vest. You can see it's very long. It's a calf length scarf vest. And I'm in Texas, ladies, so it's still hot in Texas. We're still up to the high 90s and possibly the 100s. We're moving into the cooler temperatures, but for the most part, it's still hot. So this is common right now for me, tank tops and things like that. Tanks are pretty much a staple piece. The good thing is that you can take them into fall because you can layer the tank with a jacket. You can put it under a turtleneck, or you can layer it with a blazer or with a jacket, with a jean jacket or otherwise. I'm going to show you a couple of ways today on how to tie the scarf vest, because some climates like, West Coast and then Florida is pretty much hot year round. So you guys could actually wear this. You could wear the tanks and, this outfit, the scarf vest year round, as opposed to it being seasonal for you. So if you are in a swimsuit, right, and you want to cover up, or if you're going on vacation and you want to cover up, this is a good swimsuit cover. So you can do this, just take it like this, and it is a calf length scarf vest. You can take it, and if you'd like to be modest, ladies, just take it and take a couple of pieces. Let me come up and show you. Grab 2 pieces on each side, and then just tie it like this and like that. And this provides full coverage, what I call full coverage on the front side and on the back side. You've got full coverage for the most part. Now you can also take it. The good thing is if you use it for vacation, great piece to use for vacation, because you can wear it, so many different ways. You can keep it tied like that and then take it, right? Take the ends and then put them in back and tie them in back. And you see you have a nice top to wear with your tank and with your shorts or with your dress, whatever it is that you have on. But you just tie it in back. Sometimes this is a magical trick for me to tie it in back like this. But anyway, you tie it in back, or you can have somebody tie it in back for you. For the most part, you do that, and there you go. And you have a different look with the same scarf vest, just a different look, right? All right, so that's two looks. That's 2 looks with the scarf vest. Now you can also, we're gonna untie it, right? And then we're gonna take it. We're gonna do this. This is real simple, but real cute, with a straw hat and maybe some shades. You take both ends of your scarf vest, right? And you're gonna crisscross them, cover up your breast, and then you're going to take it up and you're gonna tie it in back like that. So that's another way that you can wear it. Very versatile, great investment piece. So that's another way that you can wear the scarf vest. And then you can also take it, right? And you can do that. And you can take it and also do this with it. Do it like that and make a shorter vest. And just tie it in back like that, right above your neck. And then you take the wings of the vest like that, and then you just do that, and there you go. And you've got a shorter version of the scarf vest, really cute, with maybe some capris or some Bermuda shorts and some sandals, and a hat and some shades would be really nice. And then you can also, I like this look as well, with a hat and some Bermuda shorts. You take it like this casually, right? And then just with a tank. You can see this is just a simple, right, black tank, or you can do it with a white tank, or you can do it with a mustard or a pink tank, hot pink tank for the most part, and just tie it like that. Do that, and there you go. And you've got another look with the same scarf vest on vacation, or if you're in a warmer climate in the US or anywhere, you can still wear it, like that, with a tank top for the most part. Okay, and then of course, ladies, you can take it off, and if you decide that you want to wear it for business. If you are on a hybrid trip where you're doing business but you're also having fun, you can take it and you can put it around your neck. You can do this right there, and then we're going to do this. You've seen this trick, I'm sure, before. Take it through there, and then you can do this. Take it through there, and then you do that, and you just fluff it out like that, and you're good to go. And then you can also take it, ladies, and do this. You can take it here, do this, right, and do this here. Now, it might be a little hot. You'd have to do this on the inside. I mean, if you're in air conditioning all day, you know, this would work. But if you're outside, that probably would work if you're in a warmer climate. Now, if you're in a hotter climate, then, or a colder climate, that would work. But if you're in a hot climate and you're outside, this wouldn't work. But if you're in air conditioning all day, every day, this would work. And then when you go outside, you just take it off, right? And then you put it around your neck, or you just put it back on the way that it was originally created to be worn, which is like this. Just wear it simply like this. All right, ladies, and that is just a couple of styles with the Scarf Art Scarf Vest today. Thank you again for joining me. I hope to see you next time. Stay tuned. And if you will subscribe to our channel, bottom right hand corner, the red button, just click it. Simply click it. Doesn't cost you nothing. Just click the button. And if you will share it with your friends, co-workers, family, church members, all that good stuff. We'll see you next time. Thank you for joining me.